If you are in WhatsApp groups and every picture, videos and other documents they send into the groups, it will just automatically download those stuffs, and then your phone gallery will be full of pictures and videos. Yes, so if you watch this video to the end, I'll be teaching you how to stop that. If you are new here, I want you to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss any of our videos. Like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you are following. So first of all, you are going to launch your WhatsApp. You open your WhatsApp. So you click on these three dots. Then when you click on it, then you click on settings. When you click on it, you click on settings. If you are using Android phone. If you are also using iPhone, just search for settings and then click on settings. So I click on settings, then it opens. Then you search for storage and data. Storage and data. You click on storage and data. Then I click on storage and data. You will see media auto download. Voice messages are always automatically download. So it means any picture, any videos, any documents somebody sent to you, it will just automatically download into your gallery. So this is what we are going to prevent. We are going to prevent that. So if you are new here, I just want you to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload new videos, you'll be notified instantly. Like this video and then leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you are following. So now you see, when you say mobile data, click on it. When you click on it, then you are going to unmark the photos, you unmark audios, you unmark videos, you unmark documents. Then you click on OK. Then we are doing the same thing to when connected on Wi-Fi. When you are connected to Wi-Fi, it will download videos, audios and documents. So you unmark all. When you unmark all, then you click on OK. When roaming, so you are going to unmark this as well, and then you click on OK. So anytime somebody sends you either pictures, videos, documents, you will have to download yourself. You just click to download. It will not automatically download just like that. So if you are new here, subscribe, like this video and then leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.